Hello, I'm Jaya Singh, psychologist. Today I'm going to talk about a cognitive disorder, dementia. Dementia is not a very common form or common word for everyone. Actually, most of the people are not aware with this term. Dementia, the main thing is that when an individual loses his memory or he feels problem in daily activities life, just like he forget things several times, not in a common, but many times he forget what he is doing, what he is performing. And the severe case is that when he forget the way of his house, the faces of his relatives, friends, the close ones. This is a severe case of dementia. The first thing is that dementia, the first I describe about the dementia is D means decrease and mentia means the mental ability. So we can join or combine the term that dementia is a decrease in mental ability. Decrease in mental ability means, in short, we can say that dementia, a group of thinking which is interfere in daily activities. In this video, I will discuss about the dementia, what is dementia actually is, what is the symptoms, what is the causes of dementia, and what is the treatment. Is treatment is available or not? Of course, treatment is available. I will discuss it in the last part of the video. What is the treatment of dementia? As I told you earlier that dementia is a memory loss or when a person forget his daily activities, his daily performance, and it is related with a memory loss exactly. Some people combined it with the Alzheimer. Alzheimer is not a dementia, but it is a phase, the level of dementia. It is a part of dementia. Dementia actually has seventh level, and Alzheimer is in earlier level or initial level of the dementia. So if we see some symptoms of Alzheimer in the earlier level, we should start the treatment of that person. Otherwise, in the last level, it will develop as dementia. Now I talk about the causes of dementia. What is the causes of dementia actually? Especially the damaged brain cells. It could be due to any reason. It could be due to an accident. It could be due to an seizure or operation, or it could be due to any harmful things which affect your brain cells. We can say that dementia could not affect inherently or it could not come from the grandparents or parents. If a person is suffering from dementia, the reason could be environmental or some other reasons, but we can't say that dementia is definitely come or passes through the generation to generation. It is not confirmed till now. Actually, dementia develops slowly. It develops gradually. As I told you that it has seven labels. The first label, second label, third, and this part passes to label 7. In the first label, it is showing the person is showing that he is forget this thing, but in the severe label, he always forget the faces of his relatives. It could be dangerous in the severe label because if a person is in home or he is alone and he forget to close the gas knob or he forget to close the doors or he gone somewhere else, he will forget everything that he has switch on the gas and he has to be switch off the gas also. So it could be dangerous, and this level a person should be there with him to take care of him because of his dementia level. Actually, he continuously forget what he is doing. So this could be harmful for the person itself and the person who are living with him. The causes of dementia could be environmental or maybe sometimes could be passes through the generation, but is not confirmed. But the main thing is it could be dementia could be affect anyone. So we can't say that we can save from it. It could be affect us or it could be not. It depends on our brain cells, how is it working. Sometimes age could be a factor for this. Alright, so now I come to the point about the treatment of dementia. Yes, treatments are available if we recognize the symptoms in the earlier stage, and if we recognize the person is doing his activities or he's performing his activities daily. There are some awkwardness, means he is forgetting the things daily basis. Yes, sometimes we forget the things, but it doesn't mean that we have dementia. It is continual actually. There is a type of dementia, that vascular dementia, which is occur due to a stroke. When strokes comes, then your brain cells damage every time, and it depends that how many strokes are coming and how many brain cells are damaging that time. So the main cause of the dementia is the damage of brain cells. As I told you, the treatment is available if we recognize the person in the earlier stage. Otherwise, if it develop in a severe stage, the dementia treatment is not possible, and we need to take care of that person very carefully, that where he is going, what is he doing. It also affects his social skill in this level. So sometimes the person become irritated also. Why the person are asking me that you do you remember this thing or not? So please do not ask this type of question to that person that who is suffering from dementia, because if you ask him about his memory skills, he become irritated and he doesn't like to talk about these type of questions. So please avoid this type of question to a patient or the person who is suffering from the dementia, and please help him to recognize his symptoms. And if you find in the earlier stage, please do take care of him and take to him to a psychologist or some professional who can recognize his symptoms and can do a treatment for him. So he required a treatment in the earlier stage. If you see that, please help that person. Please don't blame her for his mental ability, because he is mentally able, but it's due to some reason his brain cells are damaging. He can't control it. So please help that person. And if you need any information regarding this, you can message me in my inbox, or you can write to me. And thanks for watching the video.